I'm going to give you an analogy. You've got snow on the ground and you're driving in a car. You might put snow tires on the car. And the snow tires are good, they help. But if you have snow tires and four-wheel drive, that's going to work so much better. That's what you want in a mouthpiece to stop your snoring. ZYPPAH, all the mouthpieces bring the jaw forward. That's like the snow tires. And then a little bit of snow, that's not bad. But in really deep snow, you want the four-wheel drive with the snow tires. ZYPPAH has the seatbelt for the tongue, that patented strap with bring the jaw forward, gives you the absolute best result all the time.